this heavy afternoon. Yeah, we're pushing towards the evening. So the weather is hot, yeah? Very hot. Like for me, I'm just trying to go inside and look for a place and then sit down and then rest. Because if you look at the streets, everywhere is hot. It's hot, 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 hot. Hot like say tomorrow no day. And yeah, the building you're seeing here, this is the hotel where I lodge. So I'm going to my lodge. To just hi. Nee, nipa nyewe do nana usu. Kwa nini nipa do nana usu? Pine pine me nipa nyewe do nana usu. What else? Umana makondo kwa hingicha. Parlor and bedroom. What do you put it on? I'm just doing this for vision. This room is very small. This particular hotel room is very small. So say see like a room and parlor. Kahanja. Hey, who? Never mind. So, but he never so get. Yeah, man. What's she buruku? She da wa buruku ga. I want you to go now. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get into my room. So it's gonna be dark a bit, okay? So I'll open the door because I need to go and get some cold water. Like I said, I travel, I'm not at home. So this is the hotel where I'm staying. Just I'm staying in the big room. Only me. Yeah, the room is big. I like it. Me, I love space. All right, I love space a lot. I love space, but I try to fix the AC. Funny enough, there's no light in this. There's no light in this hotel, so everywhere is hot. If you look outside, look at the sun. It's hot. So everywhere is hot. Wow. Yeah, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're saying hi to me. Okay. I know some of you, this is the first time you're watching me. Some of you is not the first time, and definitely it's not gonna be the last. You know. So thank you for always coming back to support this channel, to watch and play my videos. I appreciate you. You are great people, and I personally love you. And I'm happy to have you as my follower. So I don't want this live streaming to be long. Just a short live stream, and then just stay here. It's hot. The weather is hot. There's no light. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I can't even sleep because there's no light. Everywhere is hot. What a life. I die. What's the? Who goes there? All right. Thank you. It's like this fresh air too. level of heat here is very high. It's very, very high, I tell you. There's no light. Now I've just decided to just leave my windows open so that I'll be able to get fresh air coming in. If not, I'm hot, guys. The heat. What is the weather condition in your place, your area, your town, your country? What is the weather condition? Is it great, or you guys are going through the same thing? I know the whole lot of people are looking for this kind of weather that I have here, but are complaining. Some people is the kind of people. For me, this weather, the heat is much. The heat is much, I must tell you. If there's a word like very much, I would say the heat is very much. Sometimes it just makes me feel like just roll on these tiles, just roll on it. Maybe I will feel better. Give this video a like and you can comment. You can't even make video in this kind of weather. Are you going to start? Let me see if any of my friends is live on TikTok. If you're here watching, please say something.
It's morning. I'm sleep and sleep and sleep. Why? I need rest. I was do hard work, these 3 days. It was really hard for me at work. So, yeah. Because I'm off day until tomorrow, but Monday I'm not online on TikTok. I need to travel. Oh, yeah. Yeah, some few days ago, maybe 3 or 4 days like that, but I'm not sure. Yeah, and today evening I will go to my. Welcome. Actually, I was realized that I will go back to my ex-boyfriend. Yeah. So, yeah. What happened? Yeah, we was break up before, and he like request me to come back, and I realized that I will do it, so I will stay with him because he's actually I know him for 6 years, and he's good person. Not easy, not easy. It's longest time that you have in relationship after a while you break up. Then it's break up. That's why I don't like relationship.
TikTok.
Yeah. Yeah, I know him for long, and this is first, and secondly, I don't want to try like anything else, and build some another like trust on people, and this is too long way. I'm tired of this thing. So yeah, yourself first before anything else. I told him, I told my ex, like, I'm more important than you, and I love myself. I never feel that before, you know. And after break up with him, I'm understand well what is going on. So now I want a different way.
Oh God, the heat is crazy. I say I'm sweating. The heat is crazy, y'all. Who is this? Who is this? Hello?
Hello. My Marvin Junction.
Miami Junction.
Uh,
Okay.
hi, ma.
Alright, I'm gonna go out. Guys.
I have amazing work. I swear to God, there is nobody who don't like me or something like this. People understand. They love me. Even 20 years relationship, even you are married, if you are really not meant to be to your partner, God have a purpose why the reason why you need to separate. Even you are 10 years relationship or what, it depends. Always depends on God, yes. They have many reasons why we need to break up, why we need to separate. Just maybe he's not your meant to be. Maybe one day you find someone. Yeah, you find someone better than him. This is what you are thinking now. He's not deserved. Maybe another person will not deserve for love. So just wait for the right time. You don't need to be rushed. Because if you need to be rushed again, by mistake again, and you hurt again. It's okay. This is life. Something happens to our life. You know what? Every mistake, every challenge, we learn. Exactly. Yes. We need to learn. Yes. We need to learn. Yeah. To understand where is our this thing. Mistake. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. You made mistake your own decision before. At least now you know. You know again. You stand again. You know. You cheer up. You need to find yourself again. That no. I don't want to. I don't want to do again what I'm doing before. I need to cheer up. Always think positive, and you know sometimes it's happen. Why I know how to give an advice myself? I never given advice. No, it's true, Lidos. You speak very true, yeah. Yes, because I learned for one time when I heard it before. It's really, you know what the case is. We're planning to getting married for another day. Then something happened. That one thing that I believe God have a purpose. Why we need to separate. Yes, exactly. I'm always believe that for my faith. I'm always there. You read my mind, just you know. I really love. I don't like you feeling sad. I don't like you feeling like feeling hopeless, helpless, everything like that. I just want you to always be happy and think positive. This is life, Letus. This is life. Yes. You know what? You're hurt now. You can't hurt yourself. Nothing that I'm hurting. You know that?
Thank you.
Now, at least you learn a lot of things. Hi, Shiva. Hi.
Hello, kid sister. Ladies, how you doing?
Oh, fine. I'm alive. Fine.
Fine, thank you. Aisha, how are you?
Fine, thanks. Still good.
Are you
Still alive.
are you from the Philippines?
Yeah, I'm from. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Godwin.
And you?
Yeah, I'm
Where's
from
you from?
Nigeria.
Okay.
Yes.
How else?
What do you say? Ladies, what do you say?
I say how else you all who I know you are from Nigeria. Just TikTok. TikTok is has million people from Nigeria. Just I don't think different countries like you guys. Just Nigerian. I'm glad.
You know, half of a million people using TikTok is from Nigeria, Africa.
Are you for real?
But you know what? Number one is most used on TikTok is from Brazil.
Really?
Brazil.
So
Yes.
it's not Nigeria, so it's not us.
Not Nigeria, Brazil. Top three is USA. Top two is China.
You see?
But China is a little population. I don't know why China is top. But not all China is open in TikTok because some of places in China is bad.
Wow, really?
Yes.
China is not little.
Also Finland.
China they have a lot of
China is a
population.
Depends because China is a big country. It's cover all the Asian countries. But I think it's not more population is USA. More than China. Brazil is number one.
Oh, wow.
Yes, number one. I don't know. But I saw it also ranking. Adding in TikTok.
Ka Johnson will hit Ben Nigeria. Pay the Etiola. Okay, because okay. I'm over. Okay. Well, you know, okay.
Nothing. I'm happy. And people will with me on TikTok and text me, but jealous on me. Why? I block you. I realized today I blocked many people. I was did already, and I don't want to see people anymore again. I blocked.
Don't, of course, you trust the people, you know, you're fall in love again. Like I said, I given you advice, don't give 100%. Just try to let
No. I don't do. Yeah, exactly. I will say no. Don't worry.
If really that guy is your meant to be, your destiny, why not? You give everything, you give 100%. But you know, in only relationship like a boyfriend, girlfriend, no, it's not. Because you don't know it. Maybe it's only for 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week, or 1 month. So annoying already. Shima, you know you're affected, huh?
No. It's my friend. He always nice to me.
No, don't block anyone, people. You know what? It's fine because you know what? If you block him, you're a loser. It's fine. You can show everything
Yeah,
to
nah.
that guy that
No,
you're
see.
fine. You don't need to hide that you are not okay. Just try.
Is it Messi? Huh? Madam Messi, how are you? No, see, how is your husband? What are you doing here?
Okay, go ahead.
Ah, ah.
Try to make it smell okay. Go ahead.
The other day I was asking Grace about you.
Just only smiling.
I was asking Grace about
This is only
you.
your weapon. Oh, I'm not affected. Why not? Because I'm also beautiful. I can find easy a man more than you.
I belong.
Yes. God,
No,
there's
I came alone.
Looking from my mind, exactly.
You know what? Let's like enemy. If you have an enemy, why I can block you? I just only expose myself that I am okay. I have many friends around me. So you're mistaken because you
Wow.
fight me, you beat me, so something like that.
What about
But I
your
always keep
your
my
mom?
smile.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
sorry.
understand.
I don't
Just
know.
I don't want to see evil around me. That's why I need to remove
Oh, wow.
people.
You know what? This is to forget. Yeah, I know.
Well
It's
done.
hurt me.
Let me go
Like
down.
the
Yes.
whole
All right.
Deep inside, it's hurt.
I don't want to
But you know what? Both block me too. Why I block you, Godwin? You're not my boyfriend. You are a little boy. If I block you, you cannot enter to my live stream anymore. No, wahala. Make you wahala. Make you wahala. Why not? We need to be strong, Mitos. Strong. We are a woman. Not because we are a woman, we are weak, no. Be strong. Be confident that, okay. This is only one person that left you, so one person that leave you. But I know one person that coming to you is more than
I
1,000.
know you miss me again, no worry. You don't see me, and after sometimes he will miss me. Well, when he will see me later, he say, "Hey, Littles, how are you? I miss you." And like it will fight.
Not childish, no strong decision for yourself. So this is like a stop word. You don't need a person like that. You can find another need. You are need. Still not. One is really to me for your love. So you don't need to rush. Only friends, time, friends.
Let me tell my cool. Ah, matter what, brother.
Say like not 20,000 something. You tell send me 20. We manage by this thing, send a fuel pump. One head change the fuel pump. Still motor will starting. You get that cash will starting.
That's what I.
That's what I'm much for the one and carry them with mechanics. Take a fuel pump. What is suspect that one head fuel pump in the bag. So cool, you